Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix high system storage in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and updates. Now click on it. And then on top you can see the option software update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and then again click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset all your settings. Reset all your settings mean it will reset all the settings but never destroy and other data like photos, videos and other personal data. After reset all your settings, then go back and click on erase all data. Now click on it and then enter your password to erase all your data. Erase all your data means it will destroy all the data in your device like photos, videos, any personal data. After erase all the data, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.